that is x to the power minus 1 upon minus 1, and this has got limit RB RA. And is there any sign negative? Yes, negative, 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 negative. Now, this minus 1 we take out, and this minus and this minus will become plus. So, this is equal to QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught. QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now it is x to the power minus 1, and this minus will become plus. So this is equal to QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught. QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now it is x to the power minus 1, that means 1 upon x. This is RB RA. Here Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 1 upon RA minus 1 upon RB. Okay. So what we are doing, we are calculating work done from B to A. Always remember, this is up to. From B to A, the work done is this. If this is work done from B to A, on how much charge? The answer, this is the work done on a small test charge Q. Then how much is the work done per unit charge? The answer is work done per unit charge is work done AB per unit charge Q. This Q I transfer on this side. This is what Q is equal to. Then we have Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught and 1 upon RA minus 1 upon R. And this work done from B to A per unit charge is known as our definition A minus VB, potential difference. So this potential difference,
Yes, sir.
Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RA minus 1 upon R. This is our final notation and final formula for potential difference between 2 points. And what is the specification of these 2 points? One point is at a distance A, other point is at a distance B. From where? From charge Q. So from charge Q, the potential difference between 2 points at distance RA and RB, due to charge Q, potential difference between the 2 points at distance RA to RB, this potential difference is given by 1 upon RA minus 1 upon RB, this expression. So this is a very versatile and important expression which gives us potential difference between the 2 points. The very first thing we did was potential difference between A to B is work done from B to A per unit charge. Then we had a formula, potential difference, we will call it V, that is equal to minus E into dr. dV is equal to, I will write it dV. dV is equal to minus E dr cos theta, or this is E is equal to minus dV by dr cos theta. Other we had is line integral from A to B of E dl. Negative of the line integral is equal to the potential difference VA minus VB. Now we have done another formulation, and that formulation is VA minus VB is equal to, this formulation is related to source charge Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RA minus 1 upon RB. So A is at a distance of RA from Q, B is at a distance RB from Q, and the potential difference is RA minus RB.